Today was a rough day. I was actually a little upset with myself, and in the video you'll actually notice my energy going down, so I decided to call it quits and went for a walk, came back and analyzed some mistakes that I made in today's trading. If you're new to my channel, my name is VJ. I'm on the path to becoming a consistently profitable day trader, and in these videos I share my thought processes, my wins and losses to ultimately help you become a better trader. If you want to follow me on this journey and learn from my mistakes, hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and let's jump into the charts. Looks like there is a change of character here. Took out liquidity, punches through to it, comes into this order block, this gap, and targeting 2R. Just using my back test. I mean, whatever happens, happens. But the reason why it wouldn't work is on the 1 minute, it never came above this, but price did respect this order block right here. So we want to see if it wants to go higher. Yeah, honestly, this was just a really bad trade. I don't know why I entered into it. It doesn't scream at me that this is the trade to take, but I entered in anyways. The 1 minute is respecting the main threshold of this order block, which is a good sign, and the 15-second came right into this gap and it rejected away from it, which is also a good sign for this bullish trade. Perfect. Good start to the day. Small little win, and I'm happy about it. All that back testing is paying off, just trusting the process and just accepting the loss. I mean, it has a 50% win rate, but if we do 2R, we should be profitable in the long run. And look at that. It worked out perfectly. So I'm a contrary trader. I mean, came profited right at the high of this wick, and that was solid. So I don't know, 2R for me, it seems to work out. We are in a buy program, took out sell side liquidity. Looks like it wants to go higher. I'm trying to enter in on this 15-second fair value gap, stop here, perfect. And then 2R is right up here. So we're gonna wait and see how this goes. Definitely just wanna exit this, but I don't know if I should hold or not. I mean, it's literally just chopping around, huge consolidation, indecision. All right, well, I removed all risk from this position, just brought it straight to break even. I don't know, still not like the best quality trade, but no risk makes it fine to stay in for right now. Each candle, I'm just moving up the stop, and we're gonna get stopped right here. One more tick and we are out. I don't know, this whole thing was just a giant choppy mess. Did not feel comfortable with anything, but it's all good. Well, here is a lesson for me. If I didn't move my stop, I would have, I guess, almost hit the target. Still did not hit the target. There is a gap here, but I think price may want to continue going up and hit this. So I don't know, interesting that out of fear, I moved my stop, and because of that, I got stopped out and it goes in my favor. So yeah, just something to pay attention to. But even up here, I guess I did not get tagged in. I missed it by a literal tick, so I'm not sure, maybe it still will go up, but it's just interesting to see. We are short and we'll probably end up getting stopped. I don't know, this was just not a great quality trade. Yeah, VJ, pay attention to this. These are the trades you don't want to enter into. There's relative equal lows, prices came, took out the liquidity, and these are trades you do not want to enter in short on. So I'm just going to accept the loss. I don't know, going into it, I kind of knew this was a bad trade, yet I still did it. Not sure why, but I guess drawn liquidity is bullish on the 15 minute, and I need to realize that. All right, so I got in right here at this fair value gap, putting a stop right below here. Now let's see if I can target these highs. Would have actually been perfect 2R trade, but let's see, I might get stopped right now. Dang, that was sad. Yeah, if I did 2R, I would have gotten out, and I think that's what I need to focus on, but it's okay. I guess I did put my stop. I jammed it right there. I could have put one tick more and I would have been fine, but it is okay. Probably the last trade for the day. Didn't get filled on this fair value gap, but that was going to go down, so I kind of pushed my limit order down, and this was just a terrible trade, so I'm done with this. I'm on tilt. Really bad trading, so I am done trading for the day. Okay, maybe I'm on tilt, but decided to enter short using a market order, which was absolute trash, just because I guess I didn't want the price to go away from me. But this is actually going to be my last trade. Following my plan, this makes sense. I mean, other than the fact my execution was trash, takes out liquidity, there's a change of character. We enter in right here on this order block and this gap, put a stop up here, and then we target 2R, and we should be good. But I need to see price just displace aggressively, but it's not right now, so I may just, again, be off sides and I jam my stop. I'm looking at all these entries and exits. They're just absolute trash. I don't know. I guess certain days I just felt like I had the need to get into a trade, and that's, I think, exactly what's holding me back. All right, hit my stop, so now I am done for the day. I'm gonna be a little honest. I was just really pissed off and just really mad at myself for today's trading. I definitely did not follow my rules. close, so I just called it quits, went for a walk, came back, and I just wanted to at least see what happened in price action, see what I could learn from it, so that way when I look back at this, I know what not to do for next time. Initially, I wanted to get short here because there's a sweep of liquidity, and then eventually price does come down. It takes out this right here, so I thought it was a break of structure, and I want to enter in short here, and I used a market order, which is a big no-no, and I did it anyways, and out of fear of getting stopped, I jammed my stop right up here, and I got stopped out on this wick. After my walk, coming back with a clearer mind, I'm able to see that this wasn't an aggressive displacement, and it was actually very kind of slow, and that is something I need to observe and pay attention for next time. Also, notice that price came into this order block, and then it went down, and then actually took out sell side. Price comes and takes out this, which indicates a change of character. After chopping around a little bit with time distortion, we could have actually entered in long right here on this order block, a very tight stop, and then we could have targeted these highs for a 4-hour trade. As you can see, we would have gotten tagged in, and then it goes up. And I was curious, why was this a stopping point? If we look at the 15-minute, price closes exactly at the CE of this wick. Of course, we're looking at all this in hindsight, and the whole point is to learn, because I definitely did not trade well today, and that is on me 100%. Hopefully this was insightful for future VJ and for everyone here that is watching. So after my walk, I feel significantly better. I just need to chill out and just work at learning to read price action better. But in the meantime, I'm just going to let the statistics work out, and hopefully it'll pay off soon. If you enjoyed this video, I think you're going to love this video.